Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day 1 outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses southeastern Kansas, most of Oklahoma, northwestern Texas, southwestern Missouri, most of Arkansas, far southwestern Tennessee, northern Mississippi, and west central Alabama. Cities in today's slate include Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Birmingham, Alabama, and Lubbock, Texas. And there are two areas where we have marginals. One marginal covers parts of Wyoming, a small part of western Nebraska, eastern half of Colorado, most of Kansas, far northwestern and far southeastern Oklahoma, parts of Texas, extreme southeast New Mexico, parts of Missouri, far southwestern and far northeastern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, southwestern Tennessee, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, much of Georgia, and a small part of western South Carolina. And the other marginal today covers the southern half of Florida. Cities in today's marginals include Denver, Colorado, Atlanta, Georgia, Miami, Florida, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and Wichita, Kansas. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses central Oklahoma and north central Texas. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Lawton, Oklahoma, Edmond, Oklahoma, and Midwest City, Oklahoma. And we have two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today, one covering parts of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, southwestern Missouri, most of Arkansas, far southwestern Tennessee, the northern half of Mississippi, and west central Alabama. And the other 2% tornado risk area today covers central Wyoming and central Colorado. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Denver, Colorado, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and Aurora, Colorado. So, going to the wind threat for today, we have a... Come on, load. There we go. We have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That encompasses parts of northwestern Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, southwestern Missouri, most of Arkansas, far southwestern Tennessee, the northern half of Mississippi, and west central Alabama. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Birmingham, Alabama, and Lubbock, Texas. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering parts of Wyoming, a small part of western Nebraska, eastern half of Colorado, most of Kansas, far northwestern and far southeastern Oklahoma, far southeastern New Mexico, parts of Texas, parts of Missouri, far northeastern and far southwestern Arkansas, a small part of southwest Tennessee, northern Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, most of Alabama, much of Georgia, and a small part of west central South Carolina. And the other 5% area covers the southern half of Florida. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Denver, Colorado, Atlanta, Georgia, Miami, Florida, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and Wichita, Kansas. Going to the hail threat for today, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses northwestern Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, southwestern Missouri, most of Arkansas, far southwestern Tennessee, the northern half of Mississippi, and west central Alabama. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Birmingham, Alabama, and Lubbock, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Lawton, Oklahoma. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering parts of Wyoming, a small part of western Nebraska, the eastern half of Colorado, most of Kansas, far northwestern and far southeastern Oklahoma, far southeastern New Mexico, parts of Texas, parts of Missouri, northeastern and southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Tennessee, northern Louisiana, far northeastern and central Mississippi, much of Alabama, much of Georgia, and far west central South Carolina. And the other 5% hail risk area today covers the southern half of Florida. Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include Denver, Colorado, Atlanta, Georgia, Miami, Florida, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and Wichita, Kansas. So, in summary, severe storms are possible across parts of the southern plains to the southeast today. Severe wind gusts, large hail, and perhaps a couple of tornadoes are expected. Hailstones greater than 2 inches in diameter could also occur. Isolated severe storms will also be possible across parts of the Central High Plains and South Florida. So, that's the Day 1 Outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today. And just to let you know, I'm not going to have the Day 2 Outlook. I'm not going to have the Day 2 Outlook today because I am volunteering this morning and I will not have the Day 2 Outlook today. I'm volunteering this morning and then after that I'm going to a party. So I'm not going to have time to do the Day 2 Outlook today. I'm going to see if SPC Convective Outlook can fill in for me today for the Day 2 Outlook video. So I'm going to try to have SPC Convective Outlook fill in for me today. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, and my Day 2 Outlook, well, I will not have a Day 2 Outlook today. So again, I will not have time, but I will have a Day 1 tomorrow morning. So stay safe today and refer to SPC Convective Outlooks for the Day 2 Outlook later today. Take care.